Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Brevo to Google Sheets with Make beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Make website. Log into your Make account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Editor, search for Brevo in the apps list. Select Brevo from the list of available apps. You will need to connect your Brevo account. Click on that Add button to create a new connection. Provide your Brevo API key to establish the connection. Next, you'll want to set up your desired Brevo action, such as adding a new contact. Choose the specific action you want to perform within Brevo. Now it's time to search for Google Sheets in the apps list. Select Google Sheets from the available options. Similar to Brevo, click on the Add button to create a connection for Google Sheets. You will need to authorize Make to access your Google Sheets account. Once authorized, choose the action you want to perform in Google Sheets, such as adding a new row. After selecting the action, map the fields between Brevo and Google Sheets. This is where you link the information from your Brevo action to the appropriate columns in Google Sheets. After mapping the fields, you can test your scenario. Click on the Run Once button to execute your scenario. Check your Google Sheets to verify that the data has been added successfully. If everything looks good, you can activate your scenario. Your Brevo account is now connected to Google Sheets via Make. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.